It was snack time, and Fatima, Zara, and Muhammad Ali were happily playing in the living room. Suddenly, crash! Ali dropped his bowl, and the snacks scattered across the floor and sofa. Fatima said, "Ali, stop! Food from the floor is dirty. Please don't eat it." But Ali kept picking up the dirty snacks. Zara watched him and thought it was a game. She touched a loose piece of wall paint, while Ali scooped soil from the plant pot. Fatima knew it was wrong, but she stayed quiet because she did not want them to feel upset. A moment later, Ali began coughing and Zara held her tummy. Fatima's heart started beating faster. Daddy's remembered voice: when someone is doing something dangerous, never stay silent. Call an adult immediately. Fatima decided, I must help them now. Fatima quickly moved the plant pot away. She stayed calm, but her voice was firm. Fatima said, "Stop. Soil and wall paint are not food." And she called out loud, "Mommy! Daddy! Please come quickly. We need help." Mommy and Daddy rushed into the room. Daddy checked that Ali and Zara were breathing normally, while Mommy cleaned their hands and gently rinsed their mouths. Mommy said, "Never eat anything from the floor, wall, or garden. Dirty and unsafe things can make you very sick." Daddy immediately called a doctor and explained exactly what the children had touched and swallowed. Daddy said, "One child may have swallowed wall paint, and the other swallowed some soil. What should we do?" The parents followed the medical advice carefully. They did not use home remedies or try to make the children vomit. Soil, paint, and other non-food objects can cause choking, stomach pain, vomiting, constipation, infection, or poisoning. Mommy said, "Some damaged paint and dirty soil may contain harmful substances. That is why you must tell us immediately." Zara and Ali listened carefully. This was not a game anymore. Fatima said, "Daddy, I saw what they were doing, but I did not tell you. I was afraid they would be upset with me." Daddy said, "You are not responsible for parenting them, Fatima. But when you see danger, say stop, move away from it, and call an adult immediately." Fatima said, "Next time I will speak up straight away." Mommy and Daddy made the home safer. They repaired the damaged paint, moved the plant pots higher, and cleaned every spill immediately. From that day, snacks were eaten only at the table, hands were washed before eating, and the younger children were always supervised. Daddy said, "A safe home is everyone's responsibility." Mommy offered the children safe, crunchy snacks, apples, carrots, and crackers. Daddy prepared clean Play-Doh and a sensory tray for supervised play. Mommy said, "Food goes in our mouths. Paint, soil, and dirty objects stay out." Children said, "Only food goes in our mouths." The next day, Ali dropped a biscuit and reached towards it. This time, Fatima did not stay silent. Fatima said, "Stop, Ali. That biscuit is dirty. Put it in the bin, and we will ask Mommy for a clean one." Ali listened, and Fatima told Mommy about the spill immediately. Soon the three children were sitting safely at the table, enjoying clean fruit from their own plates. Zara said, "We eat clean food." Muhammad Ali said, "We do not eat soil or paint." Fatima said, "And when something is dangerous, we tell an adult immediately." Mommy and Daddy smiled proudly. Fatima had learned that speaking up can protect the people we love. Kids, this story teaches us that good behavior means making safe choices and speaking up when someone is in danger. Never stay silent when you see something unsafe. Say, stop, move away from the danger, and call a trusted adult immediately, just like Fatima did.